today we're here with our patient Amy. She's here at Family First Chiropractic. And Amy, can you tell us what area of pain you're having, and on a scale of 1 to 10, how in pain were you when you first came in?
Good morning. So I would have to say today I'm not in any pain. I have been receiving chiropractic care really over 7 to 8 years now, not all at this one spot, but have believed in this type of care and can really only tell when my body is out of alignment, and sometimes that's just the nature of our activities. So pain for me is not necessarily happening today, but I do feel out of sorts, and when I have an adjustment, I have a lot more clarity and I can feel a lot better in my posture as well as the way my body responds to the chiropractic care.
Great. And where on your body are you having the most pain, or were you having the most pain?
I believe I suffer from just neck, maybe more neck, but again, high tolerance of pain, but that doesn't mean that I don't need the adjustment. So I'm probably like many people who go day to day and have little aggravations, and until I started sleeping a different way, which was a result of chiropractic care and the rapport that I had with Dr. Jordan in teaching me how to sleep and not hiking my leg up, those types of things have kept my adjustments really just truly for maintenance. So again, not pain, clearly better for myself.
So overall, again, chiropractic visits have definitely helped your posture. They've helped your range of motion. They've helped you sleep better and all those great things.
Yes, I would completely recommend this chiropractic care. Dr. Jordan and her staff are great. They are welcoming. Nothing but great things to say, and hopefully you'll make this part of a regimen.